Understanding and addressing evaluation criteria directly. Deciphering the client's priorities. Welcome to Lecture 7.3. The request for proposal contains a crucial roadmap for success, the evaluation criteria. These criteria outline the specific factors the client will use to assess and compare proposals, providing invaluable insights into their priorities. The ability to meticulously understand and directly address these criteria is a fundamental differentiator between winning and losing bids. Strategic importance and purpose of addressing criteria. The evaluation criteria section of an RFP is a window into the client's mind, revealing what they deem important. When we talk about the strategic importance of addressing evaluation criteria, we're essentially talking about what a proposal needs to do for the client's evaluation team. First, it's about unveiling client priorities. The criteria are not just a checklist, they are a direct insight into the client's mind, revealing what they truly value and how they will measure success. For example, if sustainability has a high score, you know that's a core priority for them. Second, this understanding allows you to effectively tailor your proposal strategy. It enables you to focus your team's efforts on the aspects of your offering that are most relevant to the client, and to present your solution in a way that resonates with their priorities. This directly leads to a third benefit: maximizing your evaluation scores. By clearly and effectively addressing the criteria, you signal to the client that you have carefully considered their requirements, which in turn significantly increases your chances of receiving high marks. It's a clear way to show you've done your homework. This is a powerful way of demonstrating responsiveness and attentiveness. A proposal that directly addresses the evaluation criteria shows that your organization has taken the time to understand what the client is looking for and is committed to providing a solution that aligns with their values. And finally, this all contributes to a significant competitive advantage. While many bidders may have a similar solution, taking the time to thoroughly understand and address the criteria allows you to differentiate yourself from competitors who may not have been as meticulous. It shows you're not just a vendor, but a strategic partner. Now let's look at how we actually analyze the criteria. The first step is to perform a meticulous RFP review. You must read the entire document, paying close attention to the section that outlines the evaluation criteria, their descriptions, and any stated weighting or scoring methodologies. Second, you need to be skilled at identifying key terms and phrases. Look for words like innovative, cost-effective, reliable, or sustainable that indicate the client's core values. The language used provides important clues about their expectations and what they truly care about. Also, it's crucial to understand the weighting or scoring. This tells you the relative importance of each criterion and allows you to prioritize your efforts accordingly. For instance, a criterion with a higher weighting should receive greater emphasis in your proposal. Third, if anything is unclear, don't hesitate to take advantage of the Q&A period by seeking clarification. Asking well-articulated questions ensures you have a complete and accurate understanding of what the client is looking for, especially for criteria that are subjective or open to interpretation. And finally, a great technique is analyzing past RFPs, if available. Reviewing historical documents from the same client can provide insights into their common evaluation criteria and priorities, helping you anticipate their expectations and identify potential areas of emphasis. Structuring the proposal to address evaluation criteria. A proposal that clearly and directly addresses the evaluation criteria demonstrates responsiveness and attentiveness. Create a compliance matrix. Develop a matrix that maps each criterion to specific sections of the proposal. Align proposal sections with criteria. Organize the main sections of the proposal to align with the major evaluation criteria. Use headings and subheadings. Use clear headings and subheadings to highlight specific aspects of your solution relevant to each criterion. Incorporate key terms. Use the key terms and phrases from the evaluation criteria throughout your proposal to show you are speaking the client's language. Provide specific examples. Support your claims with specific examples, evidence, and data to build credibility. Key takeaways. The art of strategic alignment. Understanding and addressing evaluation criteria is a fundamental differentiator in bid management. By meticulously analyzing the criteria, structuring your proposal to align with them, and supporting your claims with specific evidence, you can significantly increase your chances of receiving high scores and ultimately winning the bid. A well-architected proposal guides the reader, highlights key messages, builds a persuasive argument, and ultimately increases the bidder's chances of success.